Make a great choice today with the 2013 Escape. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, fog lights, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, sync, satellite communications, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display, child safety locks, one-touch windows. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.